This is how you add a family member to family sharing on your iPhone. I have my family set up right here. There should be a link there to set up a family, start a family, and then you can link people to it. And there's two ways to do that. Well, there's one way really. You tap on this plus icon, but there's two different options to set this up. So you can invite others. So my wife, who had her own phone, and she's over the age of 13, I invited her by tapping this link, and then you can invite them from here, send them messages and what have you. And I'll give them an invite link, and then if they click on that link and follow some simple steps, they'll be part of your family on your iPhone setup. And you can also create a child account. The child accounts can be created by a parent or legal guardian for children 12 and younger. If you tap on here, there's a really simple form. It's first name, last name, date of birth, and then tap on create child account. On the next page, you choose an iCloud email address and a password. That's going to be their Apple ID. So make sure you remember what it is, because if they want to do things on their device, like use the App Store or use Apple Music or use any of the shared family stuff that you can set up, they have to be logged into their Apple account. So when you create the email, which is going to be an iCloud email, and you generate a password, make sure you make note of what they are. And removing people from the family sharing can be difficult depending how old they are. If it's an adult, like this one here, you can just tap on remove this person from sharing group and they're gone. If it's a child, like this one, they have to be in your sharing group until they're 13 years old. You can transfer the account to a different family if you want to, but you can't remove them from yours just by tapping a link. And you can't destroy the account either. It has to be moved around. It just exists now. So I hope this video helps you. If it does, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. You've probably never done it, but it's got to be done on a regular basis. So check out that video and I'll see you there.